the new Deputy Election Commissioner in the Election Commission of India, Umesh Shinna, new Chairman and CEO of Railway Board, Suneet Sharma, Indian American who has become the first Chief Information Officer of the US Army, Dr. Raj Iyer. Joe Biden named Indian American as Senior Director for South Asia, Sumono Guha. Government has appointed Siddhartha Mohanty as MD of LIC. Shyam Srinivasan, MD and CEO of Federal Bank, named the Business Standard Banker of the Year 2019-20. Jay Shah, named as official representative of BCCI for the International Cricket Council Board meetings. The Subhash Chandra Bose Apada Prabandhan Puraskar 2021 has been conferred upon Dr. Rajendra Kumar Bandari. Dr. Rajendra Kumar Bandari. Covaxin is the indigenous vaccine being developed by Bharat Biotech in collaboration with the Indian Council of Medical Research. India's 67th Grandmaster from Goa, Leon Mendonca. The 51st Film Festival of India, IFFI, opened with the Indian premiere of a movie by Thomas Winterberg, Another Round. Malala Yousafzai Scholarship Act passed to increase the number of scholarships for Pakistani women in higher education by US Congress, United States Congress. ADB approves $100 million loan to upgrade power distribution system in Bengaluru city. ADB means Asian Development Bank. Bajaj Auto becomes world's most valuable two-wheeler company. Bajaj Auto. The 40th Indian scientific expedition to Antarctica was flagged off from Mormugao Port, Goa. First urban cooperative bank in India to receive a license from RBI to operate as a small finance bank, Shivalik Mercantile Cooperative Bank. Shivalik Mercantile Cooperative Bank. The head of a committee to protect the unique language, cultural identity and land of Ladakh, G. Kishan Reddy. Bandhan Bank has signed an agreement with the Indian Army to provide banking services to the personnel of the force. Bandhan Bank. According to Bloomberg Billionaires Index, the world's richest person is Elon Musk. Elon Musk. United States. Elon Musk, I think he is Elon Musk, I think is what Elon Musk is owner of. Elon Musk is the owner of is a founder, CEO, CTO of chief designer of SpaceX. SpaceX. Yeah, SpaceX. SpaceX launch. Yeah. Next one, 26th Kolkata International Film Festival inaugurated in West Bengal. The official delegation of India for the 7th Trade Policy Review TPR of India was headed by Anup Vadavan. Anup Vadavan. The fourth edition of the Cherry Blossom Festival was held in Mau in Manipur. Bharat Biotech signed an agreement with Precisa Medicamentos for the supply of its indigenously manufactured COVID-19 vaccine, Covaxin, to Brazil. India ranks in Henley Passport Index 2021, where Japan has topped the list. India stands at 85th. Book titled The Population Myth, Islam, Family Planning and Politics of India by former Chief Election Commissioner S.Y. Quraishi. India's first fire park inaugurated in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. BofA Securities expect the GDP growth of India for the current 2020 to 21 to contract to 6.7%. UBS Investment Bank has projected the Indian economy in the current fiscal to contract 7.5%. Nomura has revised the GDP forecast for India, expects it to contract to 6.7%. Everybody is projecting like this. Good. The CARE Ratings revised its projection center fiscal to 7.8%. India's first indigenous 9mm machine pistol has been developed by DRDO and Indian Army Defence Research Development Organization. Kaya Kalp Award received for promoting cleanliness and hygiene in Bhubaneswar by AIMS. Kerala government launched One School, One IAS scheme, providing free training to the students who are economically backward. Kerala. Thank you.